Myself, Srinidhi Rakshan, grade 3rd, San Philomena Group of Institution, Chandapura branch. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Haizabi; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata. 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. Dashavadas of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki. 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. 22 official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gaura, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. Preamble: We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Union territories with their capitals: Andaman and Nicobar Island, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Delhi, New Delhi, Lakshadweep, Karateep, Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Ladakh, Leh. 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Jnanapita Award winners in Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dr. B.R. Bendre, Shivaram Karan, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokath, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnar, Chandrasekhar Kambara. 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. 6 ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಭೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರತ್ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು. Phases of the moon: new moon, half moon, crescent moon, gibbous moon, full moon. Thank you.